Every psychological fear humans are born with, explained. Fear is one of the oldest and most powerful survival systems ever developed by the human brain. Long before modern civilization existed, fear helped early humans survive predators, natural disasters, disease, starvation, violence, and environmental danger. Even today, many human fears may still originate from ancient survival instincts deeply embedded within the brain. Today, we're exploring some of the psychological fears humans may naturally develop and why fear continues shaping human behavior in the modern world. One of the most common fears is fear of darkness. Humans rely heavily on vision to understand the environment around them. In darkness, the brain loses visual certainty. Early humans faced enormous danger at night from predators, hostile environments, and hidden threats. Some scientists believe fear of darkness may partly originate from ancient survival instincts designed to keep humans alert during vulnerable nighttime conditions. Another powerful fear is fear of heights. Falling from great heights has always represented a serious threat to survival. Studies suggest even infants may show signs of caution near dangerous drops. This suggests fear of falling may develop extremely early in human psychology. Another deeply rooted fear is fear of isolation. Human beings evolved as highly social creatures. Throughout history, separation from the group often reduced survival chances dramatically. Isolation could mean lack of protection, lack of food, loss of cooperation, or vulnerability to danger. Even today, loneliness can strongly affect mental and physical health. Another disturbing fear is fear of the unknown. The human brain constantly tries to predict and understand the environment. When people encounter uncertainty, the brain may automatically generate anxiety and threat anticipation. This is why unexplained noises, mysterious places, hidden environments, and uncertain situations often feel psychologically uncomfortable. Another powerful instinctive fear involves snakes and spiders. Some researchers believe humans may possess evolved threat detection systems that rapidly identify dangerous animals. Certain studies suggest the brain may react unusually quickly to snake-like shapes and movements. For early humans, identifying venomous creatures quickly could be the difference between life and death. Another major fear is fear of disease and contamination. Humans developed behavioral systems designed to avoid infection and illness. This may explain why people often react strongly to decay, insects, parasites, spoiled food, bodily fluids, and visible disease symptoms. Psychologists sometimes call this the behavioral immune system. Another terrifying psychological fear is fear of death itself. Humans possess a unique awareness of mortality. Unlike most animals, humans can consciously imagine the future and understand that life eventually ends. This awareness has shaped religion, philosophy, culture, politics, science, and human civilization itself. Another fascinating fear is social rejection. Modern humans still care deeply about social status, acceptance, and belonging. Criticism, embarrassment, humiliation, and rejection can activate powerful emotional responses because social exclusion historically carried major survival risks. Another deeply unsettling fear is loss of control. Humans generally prefer predictability and stability. When people feel powerless during disasters, crises, accidents, or uncertainty, anxiety levels often increase dramatically. This is one reason why chaos and unpredictability can feel psychologically overwhelming. Another important reality is that fear itself is not inherently bad. Fear is one of the brain's most important survival tools. It increases alertness, improves reaction speed, and helps humans avoid danger. But in the modern world, ancient survival systems sometimes activate in environments that are no longer truly life-threatening. Modern anxiety, stress, panic disorders, and phobias may partly result from survival systems struggling to adapt to rapidly changing modern conditions. The truth is that fear continues shaping nearly every aspect of human behavior, decision-making, and civilization itself. And understanding fear may ultimately help humans better understand their own minds. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more difficult topics simply explained. And comment which fear you think affects humanity the most.